How do we reconcile the laws of physics with the concept of divine miracles? Imagine a game of billiards. You carefully line up your shot, calculating the angles and force required. The ball travels in a predictable path, governed by the laws of physics. But what if someone bumps the table mid-game? The balls veer off course, their trajectories altered by this unexpected force. This is a simplified analogy for how God's intervention might work. The laws of physics continue to operate, but the introduction of a new force, in this case a divine one, produces an unexpected outcome. This doesn't mean the laws of physics were broken, but rather that a force beyond our normal understanding was applied. Just as a skilled billiard player can sink seemingly impossible shots, perhaps God can orchestrate events that appear miraculous to us, while still adhering to a higher, more complex set of physical laws. The laws of physics operate under the principle of ceteris paribus, meaning all other things being equal. This implies the absence of external, unaccounted-for forces. When we study the motion of planets, we assume no other celestial bodies are interfering. However, the universe is vast and complex. An external force, such as God's intervention, could disrupt these seemingly predictable systems. Imagine a rogue planet entering our solar system, its gravitational pull disrupting the orbits of other planets. This wouldn't negate the laws of gravity, but would demonstrate the impact of an external force. Similarly, God's actions could be seen as interventions that introduce new forces or energies, altering the course of events without violating the fundamental laws of physics. The Big Bang, the event that birthed our universe, is a widely accepted scientific theory. Yet it represents an event that seemingly defies our understanding of physics. All matter and energy erupting from an infinitely dense point sounds like a miracle. The very laws of physics as we understand them break down at the singularity of the Big Bang. If we accept the Big Bang, a seemingly miraculous event, as the foundation of our universe, why is it so difficult to accept the possibility of other smaller-scale miracles? Perhaps our understanding of physics is simply incomplete. Perhaps there are forces and energies at play that we haven't yet discovered. The question of divine intervention becomes more complex when we consider human suffering. If God can intervene in our world, why do tragedies like Hiroshima, Nagasaki, or the Holocaust occur? Where is the divine hand in these moments of immense pain and loss? These are deeply troubling questions with no easy answers. Perhaps these events, while horrific, serve a greater purpose beyond our current understanding. Perhaps God's intervention is not always about preventing suffering, but about offering solace and guidance in the aftermath. Or perhaps, as some argue, God does not intervene in human affairs in this way, respecting our free will even when it leads to terrible consequences. The question of divine intervention in the face of suffering remains a profound and enduring mystery.